Hello farmers friends, welcome to GDC English classes channel, that is GDC English class YouTube channel. So this GDC English classes main motto to provide classes in English especially for the South India pharmacy students regarding GPAT, NIPER, drug inspector, pharmacist and all other pharms related examinations. So this is regarding South India region especially in the English language for Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka students. So here in this short video we are discuss regarding the side effects of the aminoglycosides. So side effects of the aminoglycosides. As you know, aminoglycosides are antibiotics. They act by inhibiting protein synthesis in the bacterium by binding to 30S ribosomal subunit. So aminoglycosides by nature they are polar nature. They are ionized compounds. They are polycationic nature. They are sugars. Because of their ionized nature and cationic nature, they having poor absorption and distribution in the body. That's why all aminoglycosides are preferred through the parental route. But the exception, neomycin, phromycetin are the two aminoglycosides. They are applied by topical route. So coming to the adverse effects of aminoglycoside, so all antibiotics, it may be any category of antibiotic, commonly they produce allergic reactions, idiosyncratic reactions. And allergic reactions like due to disturbance of our blood, due to disturbance of our immune system. And idiosyncratic reaction, the reactions are because of unknown reason, the specific mechanism is not known. And the next adverse effect of the aminoglycoside is muscle weakness. So the muscle become weak, especially aminoglycoside shows negative effect on skeletal muscle contraction. So these aminoglycosides are contraindicated in the myasthenia gravis patient. You know, in myasthenia gravis the muscle is weak, the muscle become paralyzed because decreased acetylcholine action due to blockade of NM receptor, nicotinic muscle receptor. And idiosyncratic reactions will be there, some other unknown reactions. And nephrotoxicity. So it is high, the nephrotoxicity, that is toxic to the nephron, kidney damage. So this kidney damage observed with aminoglycosides, loop diuretics, amphotericin B, some of the other drugs also. Especially the nephrotoxicity is high in case of neomycin, less in case of the amikacin. So amikacin is a semi-synthetic derivative. And next, ototoxicity, damage to the ear. So infection to the ear, inflammation to the ear, ototoxicity. So here simply A, allergic reactions, M, muscle weakness, I, idiosyncratic reaction, N, nephrotoxicity, O is the ototoxicity. So ototoxicity nothing but damage to the ear toxicity. So you can see here the ear toxicity generally disturbance to the auditory canal, the part of ear. So the auditory canal can be disturbed, can be damaged by kanamycin, amikacin, neomycin. So kanamycin, amikacin, neomycin, con audition. So audition to the movie. So kanamycin, amikacin, neomycin causes disturbance to the auditory canal, auditory tube. And drugs like streptomycin, gentamicin causes vestibular disturbances, causes disturbance to vestibular cochlear. So due to damage of vestibular cochlear auditory tube, our receiving the sound waves and damage of hearing also occur. So total ear function will be lost due to vestibular cochlear damage as well as damage to the auditory disturbance. So vestibular disturbance, that is SGV. So like RGV Ram Gopal Verma, and here it is the SGV Sam Gopal Verma. S means streptomycin, G means gentamicin. So these drugs causes disturbance to the vestibular apparatus. And tobramycin is one of the aminoglycoside cause both vestibular disturbance as well as auditory tube disturbances. Disturbance to the auditory tube as well as vestibular tube. Nothing but both are the parts of the ear. So vestibular cochlear auditory tube. So like this, the aminoglycosides causes ototoxicity, nephrotoxicity, idiosyncratic reaction, muscle weakness as well as allergic reaction. So amino is the trick. So aminoglycosides, amino sugars. In that amino by using the trick, the adverse effects. So like this interesting videos and tricks as well as mnemonics. So subscribe to GDC English channel, share our channel, follow our channel. Thank you.